Good morning. Good morning. This is session number 10. I am so excited. You have stuck with it until the last myth. Today, we are going to go over myth number 10. And as a bonus, I am going to give you something, a tip that can help you fix your credit or boost your score if you are trying to raise your credit score. I am so excited about it. If it's your first time on this channel, my name is Luna Gentil. Please click on the notification bell, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. That is going to help me tremendously. Today, we are going over credit myth number 10. And as you know already with me, I love my slides. A picture is worth 1,000 words. What we are going to review today is a lot of people think that a debit card help them with their credit. And it is not true. For the most part, it is not true that a debit card help you with your credit. A bank card, when you use your bank card associated with your checking account, it doesn't really help your score at all. The transactions that you do on your debit cards, they are not reported to the credit bureaus, so it doesn't help your score. And actually, I would do a video on the importance of having credit. If you are not, filthy rich, you do want to have credit. And guess what? Even though people have a lot of money, they also get credit for their business. They get business credit. They don't put all their money into what they're doing. No, they diversify, and they also get credit for their business for different projects that they are doing. They do not just invest all their money into what they're doing. So credit, if you know how to manage it, how to get good credit, it cannot hurt you in any possible way. So it is good to have good credit. But when you are using your debit card, it does not help your credit score. It doesn't help you build credit. And that was true until recently. I found one debit card that actually help you build your credit. I was so excited when I came across that information because we didn't have that before. The credit industry is not a stagnant. It's always moving. People are always trying to see how they can come up with more solution to help people with their credit. And the credit bureaus are always trying to see how they can get around the solution that we find to make it not work for us. So it's always a fight. There is a side that is trying to help us consumers, and there is a side that is trying to keep us under, because when you have bad credit, it actually sell at a higher premium. The credit bureaus can sell it to insurance company. They sell it to a lot of different companies because these companies charge you a higher premium when you have bad credit. So they make extra money. It is a business. Credit is a business. So you need to understand that. But I found this credit debit card actually that helps your credit score. And I am going to share it with you. Like I said, I was so excited when I found it. I am like, I just have to let my people know, because what you don't know can actually hurt you. And we don't want to hurt, we want to be better. And the credit, the debit card that will help you with your credit score is called Extra. Just like you hear it, and you can see it on my screen. Get that Extra, that app, or you can just Google Extra card, and it will give you different site where you can go to get the Extra credit debit card. The way this debit card works is you don't have to open an account with them. It's not a secured credit card. A secured credit card can also help you, but the Extra debit card is just that, it's a debit card. And the way it works with almost all banks, you get it attached to your bank account, and anything you spend on your debit card, they take the money from your account, but they actually report it to the credit bureaus every month. So all the transactions you do with your extra debit card, it comes out of your bank account. So that means you cannot overspend. That's a good thing about it. You cannot go over your limit. They monitor your bank account and see how much you have in there, and you can only spend no more than that amount. So when you start with the debit card, they give you, just like a credit card, they give you a limit that you can spend, and that limit is based on your the money you have on your account, so that you cannot overspend. There are two good things about that. It's you don't go into credit card debt because you can only spend the money that you already have in your bank account. And the second thing is, because it's being reported to the credit bureaus, it helps your score go higher. So either higher, or if you didn't have credit at all, then that's a way to start building, establishing credit. And it is not really the cost associated with it if you're trying to get yourself another line of credit, if you're trying to fix your credit, it is not bad at all. It's only $7 a month. If you need it. If you don't need it, if you already have good credit, I would spend the money, because I hate spending money for things I don't need. I don't know about you. $7 can do something else. I can buy ice cream or something else with it. But if your credit score need help, you want to look into this debit card. It's on your screen again, and they tell you, it even tell you when you are building credit, the difference in payment. As you can see in this example, this person with a 600 credit score is paying 11.33% on their car note, and a person with 725 credit score is paying only 4.21%. Over the life of the loan, one saves over $6,000. So if you're paying $7 a month to help build your score so that you can get a much lower interest rate, it's going to pay off for itself time and over. So you want to look into it if you have credit problem, so you can start boosting your credit score. My car note right now is 1.99%. because I have my credit is in the 800. So the higher your credit score, the best interest rate you can get. And if not only with credit cards, with car notes, with mortgage. I mean, I went from a 8.5% interest rate on my mortgage to a 2.99. Come on, I mean, it's hundreds of dollars in savings every month in interest. It is worth the investment of working on your credit, getting a good credit score. And one of the bonus that comes with this card is, depends on what level. They have two levels of membership. One is $7, the other one is $9, and that comes with rewards as well. If you sign up for the yearly membership, you pay the yearly, it still come out to $7 a month. And then you have credit monitoring with that. And I cannot stress enough what credit monitoring is, because I have been victim of fraud before. I have been victim of people trying to steal use my credit card, stole money from my bank account. So credit monitoring is key. You need to have that. So there you have it. Extra debit card will help you. You can build your credit with it, earn points, and all that. You don't have to change your bank account. You don't have to change banks. It works with your bank. You just get it connected to your bank. And one of the things I like about it is that there is no credit check. There is no credit check, so you can actually do the things you need to do and boost your score. So that was it for That was it for the 10 credit myths. Let me know if you found any of that information useful. We went over 10 myths. Is there any one of them you didn't know before? Did you learn something new? Please share these videos with somebody else, because you never know who needs the help. It was your friend Luna. And as always, if you need more information, if you need to work on your credit more, you need more help, you can always click on the link below and get my book, Credit Repair Secrets, or you can get my 10-week coaching where I go in depth with you and help you fix your credit. This is it. I am so glad you stayed to the last credit myth. May you prosper in everything that you do. Until next time, this is your friend Luna.